3D television is television that conveys depth perception to the viewer by employing techniques such as stereoscopic display, multi-view display, 2D plus depth, or any other form of 3D display. Most modern 3D television sets use an active shutter 3D system or a polarized 3D system, and some are auto stereoscopic without the need of glasses. Benefits of this project are to understand 3D TV technology, whether it is right time to buy 3D TV, and impact on society since it is new technology. 3D image creation is a multiple step process. First, twin lens camera records full HD images for left and right eye. Second, two streams of data for both eyes are saved separately on single 3D compatible Blu-ray disc. Third, 3D TV receiver displays frame by frame full HD images for both eyes separately. A viewer watches TV with special glasses. And fourth, the picture displayed for both eyes is 3D. Benefit of 3D technology are large business impact in terms of revenue, intensive effort to run 3D channels because watching sport, especially football, is at the first place, watching 3D movies or cartoons at home. Multiple channels like Sky, Canal Plus or Discovery have already announced using 3D technology. Other TV stations also plan to emit some particular events in 3D. Impact on society are 3D television bought by wealthy families as the actual cost for the 3D equipment is high. Entertainment device which enables to play full HD quality of images, which is additional advantage for movie maniacs to buy it. The problem concerns the young generation. What will be the impact of 3D television on youth? Serious case as nobody knows now how they are going to experience it. Is their vision of the world going to change? Lots of games have been already released using 3D technology. Some sources describe the impact of 3D games on people, how good business is to launch 3D video games. Whatever the risk of watching 3D is, people will love it, especially young people. Examples of attractiveness of 3D dimensional TV is watching sports. Risk and downside of 3D TV are, it's expensive. While you can go out and purchase a 3D TV today, you would not find much to watch on it. Anyone who wears glasses and has been to see a 3D movie or other production knows that wearing 3D glasses over your glasses is both uncomfortable and awkward. There are some health issues like eye strain, headache and nausea. Multitasking is not possible, like more and more people today watch TV with a computer in their lap or a smartphone close at hand. This technology is new to the people. In few years, most HD TV models will be 3D capable. Glasses-free technology is the future because auto stereoscopic TVs have the advantage of not needing any glasses, but it is very expensive. So adoption of glasses-free 3D TV will take time. It will not reach the mass markets until 4K HD TV panels become affordable for consumers.